my daily walk. And I'm just walking in nature, trying to get my body nice and fit and toned. Oh yeah, and walking is a fabulous way to do it. That's right, walking and jogging. Oh, look at this beautiful day. Hey everybody. Hey, Healthy Hub here. Trying to get this body fit. Y'all come on and join me. Yeah. Just walked up here. I've been walking for about 20 minutes now. And, oh, look at this, beautiful. This is so beautiful. This nature is so pretty. Walking in nature. That's right. Keep that body moving. Yeah. I'm up here. Just got to my destination. And at the park. Look at all the beautiful trees. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, yeah. Look at that sky. Oh, wee, that's so pretty. That's right, y'all. About to get ready to jog the trail. And I believe I have some family and friends that should be on the way. I told them to come on. I'll meet them up here. We're gonna play some kickball and just keep our body moving, guys. Someone's already on the field. They're over there playing soccer. But it's about 20 people on the way, maybe 25, and we're about to join them. And they can either play kickball with us or we can play soccer with them. It doesn't matter, guys. It doesn't matter. As long as we get up and move that body, keep that body moving. Yeah. Just wanted to take you on a nice quick walk with me today to show you what I'm doing. And we had a pool party earlier. So we were all out there swimming and having a good time. And I went home, take a shower and get cleaned up and get all of that chlorine off of me. And I told them, I'm like, I'll just meet you guys at the park whenever I'm done. And I beat them all here. They were waiting for me. I think they have the football and the kickball with them. And then I see some people out in the field already playing soccer. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. We'll probably take the kids on that a little later. But yeah, they were playing soccer. And I'm like, okay, they should be on the way here. So I'll just take you guys on a quick walk with me through all this beautiful nature. And hopefully we'll see them soon. Oh, one of them just pulled up, a carload. So yeah. And yeah, we're just gonna play a nice game of kickball. And get that body moving, keep that body moving, and you know, get out there and play some football. Yeah, I love sports, guys. Basketball is my favorite. But this particular park that we're at today, hey, I'll be over there. But yeah, this particular park that we're at today, they don't have a basketball goal. But they do have a lot of area here for the kids to get out and play. Hola. So, yeah. some grills, a lot of picnic tables. They have a lot of swing sets for kids and all of that good stuff. Yeah, and I'm just walking the trail until they get here. I've seen one carload pull up, so they're probably getting out of the car now. And yeah, we're gonna get on that big old field out there, play some football and some kickball and soccer. You make you see a few people out there playing already. Yeah, but we're gonna go and join them. And I'm just walking the trail here. Oh, that's so beautiful. So beautiful, guys. That's so gorgeous. I love it, love it, love it. Oh, my plants are getting a lot of good sunshine today. We're gonna check back with those plants in a couple of days. I've been watering them. So yeah. And I appreciate all of you for joining me today. That's right. We're out getting healthy, guys. Every day you have to do something to improve your health. However you do it. You know, for me, it's by exercising and eating healthy. I had me a small salad earlier after we came back from the pool. And yeah. And now I am walking it off. That's right. Had me some fruit this morning, small salad for lunch. And stay tuned, because later on I'm gonna come back with the dinner video. Hopefully it can get up today. And I don't know why it takes so long to upload for me. But I'm working at it, guys, and I'm getting better and better at it each day. So, and I appreciate you all for all your continuing support and helping me grow my channel. Man, this is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. And I'm just walking the trail while waiting for them. Some of them already got out of the car. And then we have some lollygaggers that wants to take their time and just think I have all the time in the world. But I'm out here and yeah, oh, they're calling in. Somebody's calling me now. Whew. Yeah, they didn't want to walk. They said they'll drive, but I like to get my healthy on, guys, and I like to walk whenever I can. And so it wasn't too far. It was only like 20, 30 minutes, and I come out here all the time. So I'm like, oh, I'll walk. And they stayed around and finished eating and yeah, talking and dancing. I'm like, I'll just meet you guys there. Oh, this is someone else calling in. All right, well, I'm gonna just keep walking my trail, and I will call them back in just a moment. All of those big tall trees. I just like to get my walking in every day. Either a walk or a jog. And most of the time it's walking and jogging. Oh, there's another carload. I was trying to Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and call them back. They probably got lost. Don't know where to go. But I'm gonna call them back. I was trying to get that sun right there. That's so pretty through that tree. But yeah, so I'll call them back now. Oh, I see another car pulling up. Hi. All right, here they go. Hello, hi. Yep. So they're pulling up. Oh, it looks like all of them are here. Yep. All of them are here now. All right. They were calling me, and I was recording. They were looking for me. I was deep down in the trail, guys. Now, they're pulling up with the music, so I can't have that in my video. But I'm gonna go and greet them and start playing our kickball and our football and our soccer. Getting the exercise in for today. That's right. Get your exercise in. And stay healthy, guys. Love you. Take care. We will talk to y'all later. All right. Bye.